Are you tired of slow 4G internet? In this video, I'll show you secret tips to boost your 4G speed and make it feel just like 5G. Stay tuned till the end for the ultimate speed hack.
Go to Phone Settings, SIM and Network Settings. Choose your SIM card for manually APN Internet Settings. Access Point Name. Click on plus icon, add new APN Internet Settings. Tab on Name. Tab on APN. Tab on Username. Tab on Server. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP. A PN type. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. A PN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Now, save new APN settings after select this APN after restarting phone. Check your Android phone, internet, speed. Thanks watching my video, like, share and subscribe.